How to lose weight with sleep apnea. If you're struggling with sleep apnea and wondering how losing weight can help, you're on the right track. Let's break down the steps and benefits of weight loss for managing sleep apnea. First, it's important to understand that excess weight is a major risk factor for obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. When you're overweight, you tend to have more fatty tissue in your neck and throat, which can block your airway during sleep. Losing weight can significantly reduce this blockage. To start, you should aim for a realistic weight loss goal. Studies show that losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can improve sleep apnea symptoms. For example, if you weigh 200 pounds, aiming to lose 10 to 20 pounds can make a big difference. A 10 to 15% weight loss can even cut the severity of OSA in half for moderately obese patients. Diet and exercise. The best way to lose weight is through a combination of a healthy diet and regular exercise. Eating a nutritious diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help you feel more energetic and support your weight loss journey. Avoid ultra-processed foods that are high in sugar and additives, as they can hinder your progress. Aim for 3 balanced meals a day and avoid skipping meals. Exercise is also crucial. You don't need to lose a lot of weight to see improvements in sleep apnea symptoms. Even modest exercise can help reduce the severity of OSA, even without significant weight loss. Work with your healthcare provider to develop an exercise routine that suits your fitness level and any other health conditions you may have. Other weight loss methods. In addition to diet and exercise, there are other weight loss methods you might consider. Medications and surgery can be options, but these should be discussed with your doctor to determine the best approach for your specific situation. Behavioral modifications, such as changing your eating habits and increasing physical activity, are often as effective as certain weight loss surgeries in improving OSA. Impact on sleep apnea symptoms. Losing weight can have several benefits for sleep apnea patients. It reduces the fatty deposits in the neck and tongue, which can block the airway during sleep. This reduction in fatty tissue improves airflow and reduces the number of breathing disruptions per night. Additionally, weight loss can improve daytime sleepiness, irritability, and other neuropsychiatric symptoms associated with sleep apnea. It also enhances cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of conditions like high blood pressure, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. CPAP and weight loss. While weight loss is beneficial, it's important to note that it may not completely eliminate the need for other treatments like CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure. CPAP is the gold standard for treating sleep apnea and works by blowing air into the airways to keep them open during sleep. However, managing sleep apnea effectively often involves a combination of weight loss and CPAP therapy. Even if you lose weight, you should not stop using your CPAP machine without consulting your doctor first. In summary, losing weight is a powerful tool in managing sleep apnea. By focusing on a healthy diet, regular exercise, and possibly other weight loss methods, you can significantly reduce the severity of your sleep apnea symptoms and improve your overall health. Always consult with your healthcare provider to tailor a weight loss plan that works best for you.